Welcome to DevOps Unleashed, your ultimate channel to mastering the world of DevOps. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential knowledge and skills you need to become a proficient DevOps practitioner. Let's get started. Basics. First things first, let's lay the foundation. To excel in DevOps, you need to understand the fundamentals of software development. Familiarize yourself with software development concepts, methodologies, and how a code is written, built, and released. We recommend gaining proficiency in at least one programming language, and Python is a great choice. Linux administration. Next, let's dive into Linux administration. A vast majority of applications are hosted in Linux environments due to their security and lightweight nature. Learn how to use Linux operating system, including file systems, package management, process management, and user management. Also develop a solid grip on shell scripting using Bash for automation. Networking fundamentals. Understand how data gets transferred from source to its destination. Learn the basics of networking protocols like TCP/IP, DNS, DHCP, and HTTP or HTTPS. Familiarize yourself with IP addressing, subnetting, routing, network devices such as routers, switches, and firewalls. Version control systems. Version control systems are essential for a collaborative software development. They help track and manage changes to the source code, enable collaboration among developers, and provide mechanisms for merging and managing different code. Explore the benefits of version control systems such as history, rollback, collaboration, and branching. Conflict resolution, traceability, and auditing is also a must. CI/CD. Continuous integration and continuous development or continuous delivery is a game changer in software development. Automate and streamline the building, testing, and deployment of applications is called CI/CD. Experience benefits like faster time to market, higher quality software, continuous feedback, automations, and scalability with CI/CD. Cloud platforms. Get comfortable with major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, or GCP. Learn how to provision, manage cloud resources, understand cloud native services, and delve into serverless architectures. Embrace the power and flexibility of the cloud. Infrastructure as a code, IAAC. Infrastructure as a code enables reproducibility and scalability. Master tools like Terraform or CloudFormation to provision infrastructure. Define your infrastructure in code and have them deployed in minutes. This will empower your application users. Containerization and container orchestration. Containers have revolutionized application development. Learn containerization technologies like Docker, allowing you to ship applications anywhere with ease. Explore container orchestration platforms like Kubernetes and grasp concepts like service delivery, scaling, and load balancing. Communication and collaboration. Last but not least, develop a strong communication and collaboration skills. Embrace agile methodologies and foster cross-functional teamwork. Effective collaboration and communication are vital in the world of DevOps. That concludes our DevOps roadmap. By following these steps and continuously expanding your knowledge, you will unlock the full potential of DevOps. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we dive deeper into each topic. Remember to subscribe to our channel. DevOps Unleashed is here to guide you on your journey to becoming a proficient DevOps practitioner. Until next time, happy learning and keep unleashing the power of DevOps.